Ever wondered who's behind the software that keeps your HVAC systems humming, your plumbing flowing smoothly, and your electrical needs met? Today, we're diving deep into ServiceTitan, a company revolutionizing the home services industry. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of their innovative tech, let's answer the burning question. Where exactly is ServiceTitan headquartered? Imagine a world where running a home services business is as seamless as ordering a pizza. That's the vision ServiceTitan strives for. They've created a powerful platform that helps contractors manage every aspect of their businesses, from scheduling and dispatch to customer communication and financial reporting. But what makes ServiceTitan truly stand out? Streamlining operations. Gone are the days of juggling paper schedules and fragmented communication. ServiceTitan centralizes everything, allowing contractors to easily schedule appointments, track technician locations, and manage customer interactions. Boosting productivity. With features like automated dispatch and real-time performance tracking, contractors can optimize their team's efficiency, reduce travel time, and complete more jobs per day. Enhancing customer experience. From online booking to automated reminders and personalized communication, ServiceTitan empowers contractors to deliver a top-notch customer experience that builds loyalty and referrals. Driving growth. By providing valuable data and insights, ServiceTitan helps contractors identify areas for improvement, increase revenue, and scale their businesses more effectively. Unveiling the headquarters. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Where does this innovative company call home? ServiceTitan is headquartered in Los Angeles, California. Los Angeles, known for its vibrant culture, thriving tech scene, and proximity to a diverse pool of talent, provides an ideal environment for ServiceTitan to innovate and grow. Exploring the company culture. Beyond its cutting-edge technology, ServiceTitan is renowned for its strong company culture. They prioritize employee well-being, fostering a collaborative and supportive environment where individuals can thrive. Employee-centric approach. ServiceTitan invests heavily in its employees, offering competitive benefits, professional development opportunities, and a focus on work-life balance. Innovation at the core. A culture of innovation permeates every level of the company, encouraging employees to think outside the box and explore new solutions to industry challenges. Giving back to the community. ServiceTitan actively engages in philanthropic initiatives, demonstrating a commitment to making a positive impact beyond its own success. Impact on the industry. ServiceTitan's impact on the home services industry is undeniable. By empowering contractors with the tools and technology they need to succeed, they are improving efficiency and productivity. Streamlined operations and automated processes lead to significant time and cost savings for contractors. Enhancing customer satisfaction. By providing a superior customer experience, contractors can build stronger relationships and increase customer loyalty. Driving industry growth. By enabling contractors to scale their businesses more effectively, ServiceTitan contributes to the overall growth and prosperity of the home services sector. The future of ServiceTitan. ServiceTitan continues to evolve and innovate, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in home services technology. Continued investment in R&D. The company remains committed to investing heavily in research and development, exploring new technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning to further enhance its platform. Expanding its reach. ServiceTitan is expanding its reach across the United States and beyond, bringing its innovative solutions to contractors in new markets. Building a sustainable future. The company is committed to sustainability, exploring ways to minimize its environmental impact and promote eco-friendly practices within the home services industry. ServiceTitan, headquartered in Los Angeles, California, is more than just a software company. It's a catalyst for change in the home services industry. By empowering contractors with the tools and technology they need to succeed, ServiceTitan is shaping the future of how home services are delivered. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.